Last week I showed you very quickly how mapping out facial features before you start drawing your cartoon character's face will make your life easier. Today allow me to share a little trick of mine. I use it when I run out of ideas, meaning when I don't know how I want my character to pose. So the trick is simple and yet effective. I have my measurements done in advance and I stick to them. I always start with a front view. The measurements that you see here are for a 2 heads tall chibi character, meaning that the head is 6 centimeters high and the body and leg will be also 6 centimeters. Try to make the torso 3 centimeters and the legs 3 centimeters. When I am done with the front-facing pose, I decrease the opacity of that layer and I create a new layer above. This time I draw a profile. Then, when I am done with the profile, I turn off that layer. I create a new layer above and still using the front view as a reference, I draw this time a 3/4 view. And I repeat the process over and over until I create up to 12 or 14 different poses. My character may be running, jumping, a view from the back, you get the drift. Now before the leave, let me show you a few of my latest creations. As you can see, they all started ugly. So we are done for today. I hope that this little trick will help you create amazing cartoon character poses. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Au revoir et à bientôt.